Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first. You see? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? Viewers, if you like the content and things like that, you don't know. Subscribe and, help grow the channel because you don't know. It counts, it matters. Your likes and things like that. Keep the video them current in the stream. Yeah, it goes like that. See? Cheers. May I have a little drink here. Roots wine, but come like that, feel alcoholic. I don't know. Yeah. Alright now. So, one big up Nagi World TV, first and foremost. Nagi World TV, wish you all the best in your pursuit, youth. Seeing? Youth like you, have a authority to talk to them youth, yeah, as a younger youth. Keep doing it. Seeing? One advice me for you, stay from certain place. See? I better you give your opinion after the fact than me I say in a certain position when the thing a break rasta. You see it, my general, yeah. Big up yourself, Paula Mason. All due respect, mommy, for your recent achievement and thing like that. Seeing? Enough respect and thing. Yeah, Paula Mason when I subscribe to them, a member of the family and thing like that. See it? And she's a success story. She has triumphed over the odds. And it's an inspiration to mothers and youths of today. See? When you say scarce benefit and spoils and we make little out of nothing. So I'll show you a video here now still. And I'll leave that story. I was gonna leave the story alone, but one particular subscriber, I'm sure Alti Samuel is a subscriber because I've spoken to him before in the past. I know him not to subscribe, but we have dialogue in the comment section before. See? So I go, yeah, show that video here with Michelle Charles again. I defend the land argument out of St. Thomas. See, but watch the video and make a talk. Yeah? Watch the video. Give me a minute there.
A little bit closer so he could introduce himself and tell you what happened when the tourism team came out.
Yeah, my name is.
You can take your mask off though.
Yeah, my name is Michael Russell. I was here when the tourists and people them come and they walk around and look at the beach. And they say, it's a nice beach to do business and to develop. You understand? And they like the beach. So, and it's our community, so we would like it to develop. You understand me? Because it would be help to a lot of person to get job. You understand? And things because up here is very slow, And Mr. Charles and Miss Charles doing a good job to get it developed. You understand? So it will be good. So I don't see no problem.
You're from Pira though, right?
Yeah.
Did you see the team that came here with the leader of the opposition?
Yeah.
Okay, how many people were from Pira there? Talk the truth now, young. Talk the truth. How many people from Pira were with him?
Well, not a lot.
So the most of the people that came with the opposition leader did not come from Pira.
Yeah,
Speak the truth.
Yeah, it's true.
So we had the PMP Muma. She was there. And must have like 2 or 3 other people. Everybody else was imported to Pira, right?
Well, we want the place to develop, No job around here,
So when the camping team came from England, right? And they had 4 events here. I heard that they hired 3 people. Were you one of the 3 that was hired?
No.
Okay. How many people were benefiting from this camping?
I don't really know how many. I don't really know how many. 3.
How many people?
3.
Say it out loud.
Just three.
So we had 4 camping events and 3 employees. So when somebody says that we have all this camping that the Charles family has stopped, the opposition leader needs to do some investigation. As an attorney, I'm very disappointed in him.
True.
Because he's going to tell the whole world that we stop a camping event that's bringing economical growth. And I would never stop economic growth and development from my people, whether they're PNP, JLP, or no P. There were 3 people employed, 3 people, and they had 4 events. And they decided to dig a pit without permission. So I want him to make sure he gets his facts right. Oh God. Gets his facts right when it comes to Piro. Because he's turning people off and making it seem as if to say, we have a problem with the people in Piro, and people in Piro have a problem with me. Anybody have a problem with me?
No problem. Nobody have a problem. No problem.
Come, go eat some chicken.
No problem.
Alright now, Altis Samuels, make we examine this thing here because I see I make it out like so well, then I'm gonna be partial and I be biased and things like that. See, Warieka I come from, Kappa grew me, you see. Yeah, them man there, I watched him about 8 years old and them, and you see. Tony Brown again and George Flash, you don't know. Yeah, them man they grow. You know see. So we're not stranger to politics and politicians and them trickery and things like that. We know exactly what are going on. See? Yeah. See? Yeah, I just say go. Rasta have a certain level of gratitude to PNP because like me I say the expedition to Africa always say with the back to Africa argument, the repatriation argument. You know, you can't go research that. We don't want to stray from the point. Seeing, but there is no political alliance. Rasta is a political party itself, aya. Me no know who want me gonna feel like say is some God go jump through sky with a one year different. Rasta in the sky now go bust and no brimstone now go drop on Mother Earth through mankind in it to keep up them foolishness. One little disease and see say mankind can dead off. And the rest of the animals them live. And it not affect them Rasta. Rasta no in them illusion there. Rasta are politics. And that me read and recognize from Rastafari concept Rasta. I don't know what you know see. So I can go in a guide book. We'll feed them thing of PNP and a GLP. You know see it. We work with anybody where I look forward to the same ideals like we. You see, it might not be entirely together, you get what I say? But if we not go, I mean, what we are going to do? I mean, numbers are the thing where make it happen, you know, see. So if we all have an intent to grow ganja then, see, when a business who want to come grow it as long as it grow and a ship and a export and a ban and yeah, so yeah, you know see. Yes, I don't do that. Cause you hear the rest of the argument them I talk and there's no partiality in them. You know see. But alright now. You're a politician now. See, it's this whole argument here originally wasn't about no. Road to the beach of such. The project for the youth them was one aspect of things that could have been further developed and or could have been allowed to go on regardless of how long until the tractor reach right next to them. Then them put up them camp and move. You know see. We observe say a land grabber go on out there where I get information from people on the ground here, man. Now do me that Altis Samuels, me don't know where you come from if I out there or what, now do me that. You see, a people on the ground put up on the thing, man. We are east man to, you know, I want to, no, man. A east side, we say, you know. You think we are here? You think St. Thomas people them pass we from Warieka and Rockfort and go west, go look for a couple of that? No, you know, see, them step away first Rasta and our people them. You know, see, them so when St. Thomas people come and Rockfort and set them on in time, come sell. Them not go back with the food them with them have Rasta. You think them pack them up, carry them back to Mag? You think them sell off everything? You think them carry back everything to our country Rasta? You think we eat with no man, don't do that, man. You see it, Oliver Road bottom there's some man and I St. Thomas people market that when me a grow, man, our country that we don't have to go nowhere. St. Thomas people bring it, come give it. You know see it? Now, we are talking about the land grab, Rasta. And that we are talking about. We not talking about the road we're going to beach, Rasta. That's a part of the argument. You know see? But the main argument is the land grab, and this lady has stick on the argument of the track to the beach. You know, see, the people them concerned about the accruement of these property, these prime property. You know, see, where at one point they were owned and they were being farmed. You know, see, you know, the same point when Colonel Charles got there, when the key worker them strike and say, them nah, do. Me I wait for that man there with the experience to come and talk to me. When the cane worker them strike and say them nah, they no more cane work, they want more money. And Colonel Charge invite them a meeting and carry the car, whole heap of man go there, go beat them from Kingston. So the same thing that she try bringing out the equation you know, because she knows they're sitting there to fear people them do all the while. No, that man there we are getting the information the fear him look like him under serious duress. Because we don't need Jamaican to can read and write to express themselves. Jamaican now wait for that figure. Like, him look like him under prompt. All when them ask her how much man did I work on the farm. The man I say him don't know. And she put up her finger and a prompt. Like she don't realize that she depend. Youth, me say, it's a public relation disaster. This is not no longer again no land thing, you know. Me I explain to you. This is no longer about no land business again, you know, Rasta. This is about Jamaican representational politics, Rasta. This is about the type of people that we are representing, about the type of people that we are foreign, go make representation on our behalf, the type of people that we are negotiate the contract them, Rasta. One to know what kind of idiot argument that you bring about, man. Or you not observe the attitude of the lady. You are being biased, Rasta. You feel proud and pleased about the action of that. Alright, I could take it further. If our content set her free and she knows the appearance them have the land and the land title them, well, she not shut up. If she not have nothing fair, well, she not just shut up and do her job as an MP and stay out of it. You know see where she compromise. You know see where she push herself. In a something when unnecessary, this privilege pick me. We don't even know tactics of style get up people. I come try to style get up people on camera with 5 people. I do a press release as a political. What that you just said to me? Alti Samuels, you don't realize how we attack to my brethren, man. And you accuse me of being biased, Rasta. You can't do that, man. I start with myself first when me start do that thing here, you know. You know, see it? You don't do that, man. You don't do that, man. Become beer. Me not want to, me not have nothing for hiding and no boy can't order me around and no boy never do that yet. You see it, Rasta? Not do me that, Rasta. Not come here so with no little dirty political debating tactics like it takes me an eat that way can water down my thing and then you know see it, not do that my brother man. You know see it, me no know you have more respect for you. You know see it than that. And I never accuse you like that. You know see it. If our conscience set her free, she would just chill. She don't have to involve. She would just back off. It's more. What you want to tell me, say? The 1,000 and 1,500 acre. Because that means them have out there, you know. I don't know if actually it is being alleged that it's now 1,500 acre. You know, see, I was under the assumption that it's 500 acre. Somebody else from St. Thomas tell me, say, you got to read the comment section them in the series what we are going in regards to this, the attention we are trying to draw to the land where I get grab up out there. You know, see, you have youth and youth out there. One, oh, you know, talk about the little part of with the cane field out there, so the people them, where them carry man from Portland come raise cow on the land where the people them we did supposed to get for farm after the cane business stop going. Out there GLP, you know. You know, say out there GLP, You hear I man there tell them to switch? I do nothing like that. Me not demand defend politics now that one you Rasta. I poor people we are talking about, you know, kind of idiot thing that you come here so with higher. You can't come here so come do that, man. It's not welcome, my brother. All due respect. Alti. We don't welcome them sort of level them, man. You see? Because we have better intention than that, Rasta. Politics never do nothing for we yet. I don't know about you. You see? Politics send man come fix the road right on my road, right on my corner, right on my gate. You see? And we stop the work and I say, no, that can't go on, Rasta. And that is another story again. That's a history. You see? That make me there so attack right now. You see? That beer one whole away run wanted for that Rasta. The whole away, about 6 away on the corner. Yes, Rasta, just so we not say the work, nothing go on, you know. Just say, how we if do it, Rasta, our gate. Yeah? One up, yeah. Another story that. You know, see, that tell me nothing about a PMP me I talk about and a PMP area we live in. You know, see, at that me I think you better come bring that, yes, Rasta. You know, see. You know, see. Come like you're a different privileged girl where you know what it is. She can't, as black as she is and as Jamaican she is, she can't relate to the people them complaining. You know, here she talk about 3 people alone used to employ them. If I even one man in a Jamaica's economic climate today find some improvised way of income, as long as him not break the law, Rasta, it should be encouraged, man. You know, see it, you can't bite it down and talk about squatters' rights and all them things. Nobody not squat. The people them know who for land. You know, see it. The people them know who claim say them own the land. You know, see it. And I want to tell you, if you never go ruffle that feather with them, so that it would not call into question, you know, the ownership of the land wouldn't be there is, you understand what I say? Would take time, just do one and go on and nobody don't know. You know, see it, but you can't out, you can't pressure the youth, they want to accuse Jamaican youth of rum and ganja after you stress them out. When in a year I talk about it, I advise the youth them against it, you know. You see, I advise the youth them against something. A direction where Uno put them in, push them in, where the Funo system push them in as politicians. You know, see? And a politician go out there and condemn and talk about the youth them in that derogative manner. They like say rum no legal and ganja no legal. Like and them make them legal. You understand what I say? What kind of discriminatory term that you use against your own poor people them where you put in a struggle, where your representational politics has never benefited whatsoever. None of them from anywhere, any side of the table. You see, 2 farm work ticket. You see, no, you bring a man in a try defend you where it's like him himself need to do some research in regards to the situation we're going on. You see, how comes the opposition leader have more people out there than you? Because more people are there, the opposition leaders look at press conference than where they a fair press conference. You understand what I say? More people are there, they advise them discuss against the situation than who they right here so now. Like you got one somebody yard with 5 people. And you have the audacity to show the amount of people on camera. This privileged girl, I don't really know what she do. I have nothing against people and them privileged in the Rasta. I just know say, you do some research and try to come relate. I mean, don't act like you know what going on, yes, Rasta. Don't act like your representation or what you believe is what you is supposed to be dictated upon me for me believe that. Because you are said things are alright. I man for accept that things are alright. This girl that go out there like she go out there with some bully boys him like her father. Tell her about the days when he used to go out there go beat man. So she go out there under the same intimidative tactics. That's how she deal with people, Rasta. She don't even know how to style get the people. Then that me look on the video, Rasta. Watch the video and she say the style is like she deal with it like she still need lesson, Rasta. You see it? She not go to Jamaica no day. You see it? She don't grasp nothing. She don't get it. When she a big woman, she come to Jamaica, man. You see it? And I still come live in a privilege. So she still live in Jamaica like a foreign she there because we have the standard there in a Jamaica too. Yeah, me know that. You know, I have to tell you, me not ask that. You see it? So, you know, fear attitude I call into question, Rasta. You see it? Fear attitude I make I breed more questions than answer. You see it? And this more than anything now show me that there is no principle in the JLP party. Because if there was any principle, somebody would have censored a long time. Somebody would have muzzled that long time. I want to hear. This what me I say is in a full defense as a party. You see, but not just as a party, it's in the defense of Jamaican politics as well. Because what kind of thing them we have? What kind of representation them we have? What kind of attitude them we are getting in a public from our representative? And them are flame themselves and do it too. You see it and I realize the ramification of them stupidity there. And now so long as I tell me say me being biased, she right. I mean the last video would never really have much to do about the land of such as to do with our actions. You see it as for sure how much respect them have for Jamaicans' intelligence with them behavior. You understand what I say? And that needed to point out in the last video and this one again. You know? This bigger than a land argument out there. And that me I try show now. You see it? Because we can carry all them. If we carry them, I go show off certain people, you know, them know so we not have no representation at Jamaica, you know, if you don't mind chat, them stop send funding and them things that go down there. Because the people, them, I want to no think we are not bring no dibby argument on us so about politics. You know, so the woman behave like a eagle downtown. You know, see it, and when eagle deal with them customer, eagle not deal so neither just and deal with eagle. And when eagle deal with another eagle deal so. You see it? And when you deal with a politician friend, them you and them for deal so. When you're in front of the people, woman, apply some decorum. You see it? And in your defense, go do some research and stop embarrass the country because this is a representation of Jamaica. It's no longer a representation of GLP, woman. I want to you. Then you intend to go anywhere further in the politics and you have doctor in front of your name and where you get that doctor for Rasta? And what kind of doctor you a doctor for what? You must be Dr. C. You know see it early be the doctor. You must one of them doctor there. You see it? How good that your father give you that as part of the privilege. You see it? What kind of attitude them there? I want to be me if you accept that with a PNP or GLP Rasta. I want to tell the man, the whole thing is gas and wrath with corruption. The attempt is petty, mediocre. It's a public relations disaster, Rasta. I want to tell you, man. I want to tell you. I'm not telling about brighter than Portia Simpson or duncer than Portia Simpson or what. So because Portia do what she do in the past, we don't get rid of Portia. So that go on a privilege for do that all the while Jamaican chat them all the while you come in a man thing come make them dibby comment. Yo, you know have international people are watching it, you know. And I really commend them, you know. Be careful what I say, man. You know see, think about what I say before I say. But call a child and express what I express to the child. And have the child probably do the text phone or something. Because sometimes I know say, you know, due to the quotation, sign and quotation and them thing that we miscommunicate with emotions with the thing that we say. Even I do it too. And that's my biggest problem. You know see? So, you know, but again, with certain statements, you know, if you have them thing there and if you know where it's a deal. Like the one where you make Alti Samuels. Yeah, I say Rasta bias, Rasta choose side. That big idiot argument that you come with as a Jamaican Rasta. You see it? And always burying your head on the sand when you come on to politics. You see it? I'm going like no matter what. That's why it leave the most people, the people who love them think that people are get them personal check from politicians. You know? And I get them personal. Archie Samuels, I don't want to associate you to them type of thing the rest of. Declare yourself higher. Declare yourself. Big up Nagi World TV again. You see? Yes, you. All of the best in your pursuit. You see? I left that room have come like a yeah. Me not do no more video. Me not drink this and do no more video. A roots, you know. A roots, but it come like it ping with something. You know, see it. See it? Stamina. Stamina extra. Make me feel a bit more animated today than usual, you know? Yeah, so, yeah, man. When I observe as a Jamaican come with all them type of, no Jamaican no have no authority for commend Jamaica politics over me. You see? No. No do that, man. No do that, man. You know, see it? So no coming in no stupidity, man, but man a tech side and thing like that, man. You know, see the video that you go watch about the 3 video. No, this make the 3rd video, go watch about the 3 video what I'm doing in regards to the whole thing, man, and encompass the whole thing together, man, and make your own opinion, Rasta. You know, see it? Day by day or video by video, post by post, me give me opinion upon what me read from the obvious scenario we play out in front of me, Rasta. I did up on camera and I hold it for other things that go on when me not see either. Or when me can't see. But if you prepare to come in a public and I behave certainly demeaning way, in some unprofessional way. I mean, he's a doctor for crying out loud, man. You see it? He's an insult now to the whole doctor community. The medical bar, the medical system. Why be the Jano? You know? No wonder how real strong can't reach nowhere. Because he look like Prime Minister put film friend them and film lucky them in the film press button them when he can press up and ask them and tell them I am run the world because every ministry look like I am run it, you know. It's like any one of them people, yeah, anything them do, them have to talk to him first. Them can't oppose him. Them can't make no recommendation where him no sanction. You know, look so. Them can't teach him nothing. You know, see? And that's why when you have people like that, them always go around and choose some type of people where them can push around and press. Some type of people who are vulnerable. You know, see? Yeah. Some liability rather than assets. Because right now I know enough youth where would have styled that piece of land argument out there so better than how she a try style it. You can't tell me nothing. Enough youth at Jamaica you know where have the potential seeing for represent I and I in a politics. Seeing one time gone, I'm go back and do the research. One time gone, you know, not long ago, you know, in Jamaica, the youngest sergeant in Jamaica history. I doubt if anybody beat that history there. I know. Beat the record there, I know. The youngest sergeant in Jamaica. Where them youth there? What Jamaica do with them youth there? Eh? Where them youth there all you know? Where them energy there? Where them potential there? Where them skills there? Rasta? Eh? Our politicians, them no want things to grow. Them no want change. You know see it? You know see it? Because when you deprive all them youth, there's certain opportunity for grow now. You just want to maintain the same old status quo you and your friend them. You know see it? The imperialist slave master regime want to maintain. You know see if you bring in some young youth in there, no innovation that, and things not going to change now. You know see it? And get the people that can't eat, all when you still get food no 10,000 pounds of flesh. You know, as you just don't want to get the people eat. When you see it, look at Ivani. Ivani crack Instagram code and now the only woman in the world. People don't know that. The only woman in the world who have Instagram weak in a Rasta. And Jamaica threw her in a prison. Jamaica have her in a prison. Politics have her in a prison. Through corruption, like them get paid. Look like some big company out to pay them for hold her in a prison. I wonder could have who. I wish big company out there could have afford to pay a prime minister. Boy, I don't know. It shouldn't be possible. It shouldn't even be a thought, you know, see. But unfortunately, one of them world that we live in, you know, see. And it look obvious every day, you know, see. You know, see. Because me would be alive, honey. You know, see. Me know she have a little porn video there, man. Me know the whole thing. It's not a Rasta thing. It's a child. It's a child Rasta. It's a child. You know, see it? With potential. You know, see it? And I me are the least of the lot. You know, see it? Only per man out there. Lava weight. King mix up a weight. Them man they wait. You don't see it. Long time. I'm not ask. And only part of people are wait. I just show you don't know. You don't see it. And them have the girl in a prison. You don't see it. I will not tell me say me I be biased. Because me I tell you so them people I look like them a thief land out of St. Thomas. The thing look like land a thief. A St. Thomas people I tell me, you know, Rasta, you think I did it? Eh? You know do that Rasta. I mean I'll post that video, you know. I'm in a business of its song. If the roots lick me. Or what? You see it? No do me that, man. No say that, no brother, man. You see it? I know the thing, man. Where the St. Thomas people have at fair defense this morning? Where is the crowd? You see it? I represent out there, she are the MP. She's supposed to have the most pulling power. How she make you know. And them have a penchant for care people come out, they come beat and cow down and bully St. Thomas people. Because even that man we are talking, so him look like him afraid. Him literally look like him sit too dopey in front of him, right? That's a Rasta. You see? No do that to a thing, man. No come down, no do that to your thing, man. And you, this I represent Alti, man. This I represent you more than she. You know see it? This medium there for represent you more than she. You see it? Balance. You know see it? This is not perfect Rasta. I ain't not gonna big school and them thing there. You know see it? Like him say a grade 9 man, I man have left Rasta and go look work, man. I want to you. You think it's joke? I want to know you. You know see it? I don't know if you do this within a big superstar education and them type of thing there. You know see it? I only try to draw out so that someone can do it and come push me out and make me irrelevant because I want to use all of the proper way of deal with it now and you know me I say yeah, the right direction, evenly and balanced and I come on here so with no little slave master thing, a narcissistic thing when I try look people follow and run behind and like slave. You see it? I don't treat the people them like a superstar and them a fan. You know that? You see it? Don't do that Alti. I hear thing this Rasta. You see it? We even say something you know, like and everything we are going to agree with and a family that the Rasta. So when I still not discriminate or try discredit each other same way, you see it? We just want to look on and things fan out. You see it? You know, disrespect my brother. But I have to make it, I have to do that video. I don't allow it because I know, I don't like, you see it because, yeah. But you cause this with your comment. You see it? No disrespect my you see it? But more bless. See it and enough respect and subscribe because you don't know. Go watch I go the thing. You see it? More love Rasta, more respect. Yes.